Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. So today we are going to be reading another story. It's actually a story, one of the first books I'm going to be reading at my nature school, Dogwood Nature School. I wanted my students to be able, if they wanted to hear a story again, they can go on here and listen to it. And I wanted to share the books that I picked out for my school with all of you. So today's book is Squirrel's Family Tree. That's the first lesson. We're going to be learning about squirrels at nature school. So let's go ahead and get started. By Beth Ferry, pictures by A.N. Kang. Squirrel's Family Tree. Squirrel gathers acorn seeds, sturdy little oak nut seeds. Anticipating future needs, she gathers acorn seeds. Yeah, so here we have her climbing the tree. And over here we have a little boy and his dog. And you could tell it's fall. The leaves have already turned orange. Squirrel hoards her acorn seeds. Scatter hoards the nut brown beads. Buries them in dirt and weeds. Those hardy acorn seeds. Squirrel stores them in a cache. A cache is just an acorn stash. Watch the squirrel dart and dash and fill each hidden cache. Look, yeah, there she's got an acorn in her mouth and a couple on the ground. And she's digging and burying, pat, pat, pat. Watch her also eat a lot. She eats some acorns on the spot. She nibbles with a plan and plot to gobble quite a lot. Look at her eating all those seeds. Num, 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 num. So many acorns. In a snap, white winter comes. Snow falls down and cold wind numbs. Squirrel eats up all the crumbs as winter swiftly comes. Look at her, just looking out at the snow falling. Squirrel does not hibernate. She'll snuggle down and sleep in late, but always she'll anticipate the taste of something great. This here is a cardinal. Yeah, and this is a male cardinal because it's red and vibrant. And over here, looks like it's a red fox. Yeah, they're out looking for food too. And Great describes those acorn seeds, those yummy seeds her tummy needs. Watch her hunt those hidden seeds on which she plans to feed. Yeah, looking. She can't remember where she buried them. And look, it looks like she already looked right there, and over here, and right there. And look at this sleepy owl. Because owls sleep in the daytime. But many seeds she can't locate. Her tummy will just have to wait. And those seeds might just germinate if found a bit too late. Look over here, you have some animals sleeping, hibernating for the winter, all cozy. And look, there's her acorns. She's so close. Snowflakes melt and springtime sun shines down warmth on everyone, and something magic has begun as winter's rain is done. Look at her. 2 little squirrels in a tree. Yeah. Squirrel sees a tiny sprout. From acorn shell, a sprout pops out. Squirrel knows without a doubt the sprout will soon branch out. So this is from her little forgotten acorns. Some of them sprouted and grew up from the ground. Soon the sprout is not so small. A sapling grows up big and tall. So many awesome things start small. That's nature after all. Wow, this is a big tree. Yeah. Squirrel wants to make a nest, a comfy oak leaf twig tight nest. Moss and grass make it the best and softest place to rest. Look at her, making her nest. She settles in all cozily and quickly has a family. And what a sight it is to see our squirrel's family tree. Look, her little babies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're all snuggled up in the mommy's nice, warm, cozy nest. Squirrels come and squirrels go, scatter hoarding to and fro, making sure that oak trees grow, and grow, and grow, and grow. Without the oak, there are no seeds that squirrels love and squirrels need. There's much less chance they will succeed without the acorn seed. But squirrels also help the tree by planting seeds haphazardly. Squirrels are the heart and key to oak trees yet to be. Look, there's the mama and her babies hanging out. And some bunny rabbits. Oh, and look, here's a deer. The acorn cycle knows no end, from seed to oak to seed again. And trees and squirrels will be friends until the very end. And look, here's an old man with his dog, just walking. Well, she continues to gather acorns. Nutty facts. An acorn is the fruit of the oak tree. It is a nut that contains a single seed enclosed in the leathery shell. Acorns, also called mast, when referred to as food, are eaten by birds, rodents, and many large animals such as pigs and deer. Acorns are a staple of many animal diets. The relationship between oak trees and squirrels is beneficial to both organisms and is called mutualism. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit in some way. It's estimated that only 1 in 10,000 acorns becomes a mature oak tree. There are over 200 species of squirrels found everywhere on Earth, except the North and South Poles. There are approximately 450 species of oak trees and shrubs around or found in the Northern Hemisphere. Tree squirrels mainly live in holes of trees or in drays, which are nests made of leaves and twigs located at the tops of trees. Tree squirrels are important in maintaining and regenerating second-growth oak forests through scatter hoarding, where they store small amounts of nuts and acorns in many different locations. One squirrel can create several thousand caches of food each season. Tree squirrels are homeotherms, which means they don't hibernate and therefore store food all autumn for consumption over the long winter. Tree squirrels fail to recover approximately 74% of the nuts they bury. Therefore, they are really planting hundreds of new oak trees. Okay, thank you for joining me for another story. I hope everybody is happy, healthy, and safe wherever you are in the world.